Okay guys, my name is Jamal and it's that time of the year when we celebrate World Physiotherapy Day. There has been a lot of misconception about physiotherapy, and for the very first time ever, I and my classmates will be making some clarification about this amazing profession. So guys, welcome.
Happy World Physio
Hi, my name is Jamal. In the next 2 days, the world is going to be celebrating World Physiotherapy Day. In lieu to this, I decided to invite some of my colleagues. So here with me is one of my classmates. Hi, Precious.
Hi.
Oh, I've called your name already. What's your name?
My name is Precious. Physiotherapy student of Unilever.
So on Sunday, we are going to be celebrating World Physiotherapy Day. Okay. Why do you think it's important that we celebrate this day?
Okay, I feel like physiotherapy is not well known, so this day will also help us show the world what physiotherapy is.
I feel like physiotherapy should be very, very celebrated. It is a noble profession, and I feel like the world knows little of what we do compared to what we actually do.
The next 2 days, we are going to be celebrating the World Physiotherapy Day.
That's right.
Why do you think it's very important that we create this awareness? Okay.
So I feel like celebration is going to go from celebrating the actual physical therapist and then creating awareness also for general public and all of that.
I'm just really excited that there's a particular day that we get to celebrate this profession. I'm just excited. That's
okay.
I believe it's a avenue for physiotherapy to show itself to the world.
Physiotherapy has been in Nigeria for quite a long period of time, but most people are still having some misconceptions and most people don't know about it.
There are a lot of misconceptions about physiotherapy. Why some people call us masseuse, some people even say we are bone setters, and some people even believe that physiotherapy is all about sports. But guys, physiotherapy is a very complex and a noble profession, and it is diverse. There are a lot of misconceptions about physiotherapy.
Yeah,
so what do you have to say?
First of all, there is this popular saying that says that when the use of a thing is unknown, abuse is inevitable. So I want to apply it to physical therapy. I feel like they don't know much, or they don't even know at all, which is why they feel like, okay, it's just like it's a touched form of traditional bone setup and all of that.
One misconception that I know that is common among patients is that people think physiotherapy mostly manage things relating to pain, like any pain they have, that's when they will come for oh, let me go for physiotherapy. Except if it comes from referral though.
We have a lot of misconceptions. Physiotherapy is basically about rehabilitation.
Some people think we are just bone setters. The aspect of the bone in physiotherapy deals with a certain specialty, and the massage that you're talking about can also be incorporated with different specialties.
Yeah, that's what most people don't understand actually.
So compared to people that go about saying it's for bone setters, it's for people that is doing massage, I feel like it's just out of little knowledge that they have about it, because they're entirely wrong. That it's just a part of what it has to do, but that's not all of it.
The reason why people don't have enough knowledge is because perhaps they don't search well, or they don't seek the right counsel. Some also even say they are only for sports.
There's this popular misconception that physiotherapy only based on fixing of bones.
It's not just based on fixing of bones. We do a lot of things apart from fixing of bones.
What do you think can be done to eradicate some of these misconceptions?
It's basically about correcting people immediately they make that mistake. Every opportunity you have to present yourself as a student physiotherapist, an opportunity to explain what it is you're studying, you just let them know.
The main thing is advocacy. This is what physiotherapy is about. This is what they do.
You don't have to wait till you're in the hospital setting before you tell somebody about what physical therapy is. Like literally the whole world needs physiotherapy.
We should educate people on that physiotherapy is not just about management of pain. It involves various other interventions, management of neurological conditions, cardiovascular, respiratory, and all that.
Physiotherapy has many specialties.
In
fact, currently in University of Ilorin, where we are schooling, I think we have like up to seven specialties.
Seven specialties.
So the bone part now is like an aspect. It's under a specialty.
So we have orthopedic specialty. We have the geriatrics. We have pediatrics. We have cardiopulmonary specialty. Then we have the the neurology, we have pain and palliative, then we have women's health.
Why do you think physiotherapy is important?
One importance I can think of right now is that it helps to maintain functional independence of the patient after any condition. Our role is to train and regain the patient's independence after medical condition, because the doctors and other medical practitioners will just do their own part of the medical and surgical part. Ours is to train the patient's independence.
People will come to understand that they don't just need physiotherapy care when they have broken bone or when they need massage. They can come to physiotherapy when they have neurological cases. Any patient that has any condition that is affecting their ability to perform their daily activity or daily living or their functionality, that is our own specialty, to make sure that they are able to return to their functional abilities.
Doctors, they themselves refer patients to physiotherapy for expert management.
Studying physiotherapy in the first place, it might not be as easy as you think, but trust me, it's worth the stress. How does it feel like to be a physiotherapy student?
Oh, wow, it's wonderful being a physiotherapy student. When I started doing our level, in our school we had the second set. So during those times, because we do not have plenty of people to guide us and all, I thought I chose the wrong course then. But now, experiencing, going to places, knowing what physiotherapy is really about, I'm enjoying it. It is a very, very wonderful course.
I feel excited, I feel happy, I feel like I have a purpose, you get? I'm studying something that not so many people know about, but I have the opportunity to let people know new things.
It's fun and exciting, and the fact that you learn new things every day.
So if you had to go back in time, would you still prefer physiotherapy?
100, yes, 100%.
What would be your advice to those who want to study physiotherapy?
It's a very good, exciting and lucrative course, even though it might seem stressful and taxing sometimes, but it's a course I would definitely advise anyone close to me to come for.
As a student, no course is easy. I want to know that whatever effort you are putting into taking this course, choosing this career path, anyone just know that it is worth it. I don't think I've met a profession or I've come across a profession as noble as physiotherapy. They make you see the ability in your or disability. So I feel like that's a very powerful thing. So I want to tell you students, work hard, this course is worth it.
Physiotherapy is a wonderful course. So it is lucrative. There's money in physiotherapy also. If that's what they think, there's no money in physiotherapy.
So if you had to speak to the whole world right now, as a physiotherapy student, if you had to give one advice to the whole world about their health, what would it be?
Just conscious of their lifestyle, I guess, how they perform their activities, daily living, their diets, just lifestyle modification.
So if you had to give one advice now to the whole world about their health as a physiotherapy student, what will it be?
Okay, what I'll tell you is that if you wait until you need a physical therapist, then you are in very big trouble. You don't need to have an underlying condition before you need to get a physical therapist. Go and book an appointment with a physical therapist you know today. Because at first it might look irrelevant, but then with time you get to see that that is the biggest investment you will do for yourself.
It is said that the way we live our life will be the one that will predispose us to other things. So their lifestyle is very, very important. So they should watch what they do, what they eat. My name is Sherifdeen Fawaz. I'm a physiotherapy student from the great University of Ilorin.
I would say your position. Make sure whatever it is you're doing, just keep your back straight, keep your back aligned the way it is, and don't hunch. Make sure you exercise very well. Keep your muscles going.
My name is Mercy Aogi, and I'm a physiotherapy student of University of Ilorin.
Old age is coming, and what you do in your young age will reflect in your old age. If we can manage that, our posture, eat good food, do our checkups regularly,
our lifestyle,
generally our lifestyle. My name is Onisamu. I'm a student of physiotherapy from the University of Ilorin.
Personally, for me, I like playing roles in places that seem irrelevant but play the highest function or play the most important parts of people's life. My name is Moneme Favor. I'm a physiotherapy student in University of Ilorin.
I want to say very big thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So guys, as you can see, physiotherapy is not just about bone setting, it's not just about massage or sports. It's a very complex and a very diverse profession. So I would advise you today to see a therapist, and until then, see you in my next video. What's your name again?
Olaiwaju Precious.
Welcome to my space.
Thank you.